The code is a MATLAB function named helperPlotResult. Let's dissect each part of the code and explain its purpose. Function helperPlotResult, net, data, scale, IDX. This line defines a MATLAB function named helperPlotResult that takes 4 input arguments: net, data, scale, and IDX. Get predicted output using scaled test data input. In equals data, 1, 1, IDX. Out equals predict, net, in. These lines obtain the predicted output, out, from the neural network, net, using the scaled test data input, in. The input data is accessed from the cell array data, where the first element, data E1, contains the input images. IDX is used to specify the index of the data sample. Denormalize the input and output for plotting. In equals in, asterisk scale, 1, 1, IDX. Out equals out. Asterisk scale, 1, 1, IDX. These lines denormalize the input, in, and output, out, for plotting. The input and output are multiplied by scaling factors stored in the scale array. This step reverses the normalization process applied during data pre-processing. It's possible for the network to output negative values for some pixels, so we need to take an absolute value. Out equals abs, out. This line ensures that all output values are positive by taking the absolute value. This step is necessary because the network may produce negative values for some pixels, which is not valid for image data. The ideal response containing only the target image. Ideal equals data 2, 1, IDX. This line retrieves the ideal response, target image, from the data stored in the cell array data. The ideal response is stored in the second element, data E2E, of the cell array, corresponding to the target images. Get color axis limits.
mxtgtpwr is gelijk aan 20 log 10, max, ideaal, blij.
CL equals mxdgtpwr, 60, mxdgtpwr. These lines calculate the color axis limits for plotting based on the maximum value in the ideal response. The maximum power is computed in decibels, 20 log 10, and then used to set the color limits, CL, for all subplots. FH equals figure. FH. Position equals FH. Position 1, 2, 3 FH. Position 3, FH. Position 4. These lines create a new figure window and adjust its position to make room for 3 subplots horizontally. Subplot 1, 3, 1. Imagesk 20 log 10 in. Set GCA dir normal color bar clim CL title original image. This block of code sets up the first subplot to display the original input image in. It converts the image to decibels, sets the color axis direction, adds a color bar, sets the color limits, and adds a title. Subplot 1, 3, 2.
Imagek 20 log 10, ideal.
Set GCA dir normal color bar clim CL title ideal response. This block of code sets up the second subplot to display the ideal response target image. It performs similar operations as the first subplot. Subplot 1, 3, 3. Imagesk 20 log 10 out. Set GCA dir normal color bar clim CL title decluttered image. This block of code sets up the third subplot to display the decluttered output image out. It performs similar operations as the first and second subplots. Income marks the end of the function definition. In summary, the helperPlotResult function visualizes the original input image, the ideal response, target image, and the decluttered output image generated by a neural network. It ensures proper normalization and adjusts the color axis limits for consistent visualization across subplots.